And here's cupcake decorating. But we have a group activity very soon. So, and of course I can't eat any of those. So cute. They'll give a cupcake demonstration. I believe people get to make their own cupcake. Here we go. Okay. There's our cruise director. Where do we go?
That's fine.
Here we are again at the wine bar. Wine event. I don't know.
That's a lot of wine glasses.
That really is. Wow. That was impressive.
Talent.
Yeah. And she wasn't walking like, you know, she was moving.
Yeah.
Right. Oh, look at their doors. That's so cute. Yes. Hello.
Hi. I made those. I liked them.
I like them.
Thank you.
Oh, ooh,
I am shocked that people just keep going in and we have enough room.
Oh, nice. Okay. They definitely have more room.
They have a lot more room than us.
Yeah, you have like a whole person room. Party on the balcony. Yeah.
Our bed comes to this, so you gotta like turn sideways.
Really? It's that tight?
It is that tight. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is.
I'm Derek. I'm Gregory. We are D&G Explorers.
That's right. They're vlogging the cruise too. So you get to see it from another perspective. So I hope you'll go and watch them too.
Yeah,
we have hardly seen Favor at all. We
I
thought she
know.
had fallen off ship or something.
Right.
Oh my
right,
God,
right.
God forbid.
At some point, we're gonna run. We're
We
gonna
are.
work this out to run together.
Tomorrow
so.
or the next day. We'll
Yes.
run.
Yeah.
We'll get it done. Yes. All right. So we're at the studio lounge.
We're on the other side, all the way down.
And then
The studio line is on 11, so there's 10, 11, and 12 are all studio.
Oh, okay.
These are cool.
This is awesome.
They have this middle area.
Okay.
Yeah, because most people.
I wish we could stairs like this that lead to our basement.
I wish I had a basement.
So we've got coffee.
Oh, nice.
Oh, cool.
This is really nice. So they have a little
For all the studio people to come hang out.
machines,
This is studio.
snacks, wine bar, wash your hands, and they have a screen. It's nice. Map to figure out where they are. This is lovely.
That way you're cruising with friends.
And then Norwegian gives you like a solo host that goes to all the like big parties and stuff, so that you have people to like do stuff with, even if you're a solo.
Oh, that's awesome.
So the studio are at 10, 11, and 12, but the lounge is on 11.
That's very cool.
That really is nice.
Well, because most cruise lines you have to pay for two people.
Pay for double, yes. Yes, so there's single suites or single rooms, so you don't have to pay for a double if you're just one person, which is really nice. That lounge was a very nice area.
Cool, right? I told Lena, I go, we should go on one and have like a connecting solo.
Solo, right, yeah.
So I can snore and you don't have to be disturbed by me.
Packer backers, go, Pat, go.
Go, Pat, go.
That's right.
Go.
Oh, it's an extender.
Okay, so this is a single.
More room than I need.
So you have your TV here, your bed here, you have a closet here. Oh, that's not a TV.
It is. This is a virtual view.
That's a virtual view. That's
A
awesome.
closet. You could turn it on and off. There's like a little button on the side.
Oh,
That's
that's
the
so
TV.
awesome. All
Then you have
right.
two closets.
And then the bed.
Okay.
TV.
And then bathroom and
So nice.
Cool.
And then the sink area.
Closet. Or no, that's a connecting room, I think.
That's a connecting room.
Yeah.
These are
You
the
have another
closets.
closet? You have three?
Is this your
No,
room?
this is my room.
Oh, okay.
These are two closets right here.
And
they
that's the
roll.
potty
They got that
closet.
window thing.
Sorry. I'm sorry.
lever for.
And then here's the
that big
shower.
Lever right there. Oh, that's
And
a
then the
light.
little potty room.
I like how you pull
I
that
like the
for.
virtual window.
That's so nice.
I know
It's
Royal,
nice in the
Alright.
morning.
Royal Caribbean's
This
got like
is
a
lovely.
whole...
Do you mind if I open this?
You can go back to your room.
All right. Yeah, that is tight.
Very tight.
Tight. Yeah. And if you close that door when you're in,
I don't.
I'd be like, I don't think I can do that.
Yeah, we went to Lambeau last year.
all the way and check it out.
Oh my goodness.
Oh wow.
Oh,
Wait, you gotta see everything. Woo.
oh
yeah.
look at this.
Packers all over.
Oh,
cool.
she's our people.
For people.
She's even wearing a Ribeyes shirt right now.
Oh, this room is so cute.
I thought you were gonna say
Look at
The
that.
hats.
That's right.
Nice.
Oh my goodness. This is awesome. I love the display. I love
Yeah.
It
that.
is cool. Hers looks
Yeah.
lighter than the one over there. It was darker. I think it's because the light
Lights,
was off.
yeah. All right, here is an inside room, 13,569. Nice. Okay, this is pretty. But they're so fun. They are. All right, it is time for lunch. Margaritaville. No, I am not hungry. But there's always room for queso.
Yes, there's always room for queso.
I'm like that one single friend, I guess.
Our table. Right. Rob ordered pretzel rolls and nachos. And here are my nachos. These are gluten-free. Yummy. Oh my goodness. And they brought me a gluten-free burger. Look at that. That's really nice.
Do you think this is gluten-free?
No, that looks different.
Okay.
Okay, we're back in the room for just a little bit. It's 2 o'clock, and we're just gonna kind of chill and relax for a little bit. Margaritaville, we sat in a spot that was very hot and sunny. Oh, I'm not even showing you the water, sorry. And so we're gonna cool down in the room for a little bit and take a shower, and then proceed through the evening. You see the thunderstorm right out in there, or rainstorm. So amazing. I love to see the weather at sea. It's so pretty. All right, maybe let's look on the map and see where we are. And there's where we are, and you can get closer. Oh, that's volume. It's this one. So, oops. So we started up here in Miami. We've made our way down. I'm not sure where. We've just passed, what is
We're
that?
going right past Turks and Caicos.
Yeah, we passed Turks and Caicos. We are on our way to St. Thomas. Whoops. You can maneuver with the remote, you know, different spots, down and up.
It won't let me pull it up on.
Yeah. So there you go. Like, there's where we're going. 15 knots. And you can see here's where we are. We're heading down, and then here, and then back up to Nassau, and then back to Miami.
Each and every one of you there. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Just a few rules. Please do not shout any answers out. No Googling, no phoning a friend, asking the audience. It's not that type of game show. If you don't know the answers, I will tell you at the end. So not to worry. So no, let's all play a fair game, all right? If my accent is...
We're headed to dinner at Los Lobos, but thanks to Brian here, Brian did it! He made us the champion. We are the champions! That's right. So we got a deck of cards. There we go. Hey!
I contributed nothing.
Me too. Yeah, nothing.
But I sat there and listened.
That's right.
Support.
Yes. That's right. Emotional support. Yes, yes. So we won a deck of cards and a koozie. No ships on a stick, but that's okay.
And we'll put the deck of cards on a stick.
That's right. That's right. And we have learned from our friends here, DJ, that Carnival is discontinuing the ship on a stick.
Oh!
Yes.
That hurt.
Yes.
There was a fault saying there was going to be a new design one.
A new design.
We shall see.
We shall see what the new thingy on a dinghy is. Okay, so here we are. We're at Los Lobos. We're with the group tonight. All right, so there you go. So the rest of the time, you're just going to see my plate. And maybe Carl's. And maybe Rob's.
What?
Your plate for dinner.
Yeah.
They brought us separate chips and salsa for Carl and Donna. It's Carl and Deborah and me. And then here is the guacamole. It's tableside. Yummy. Even though I don't need to eat a single thing. Terrible blogger tonight. They brought cheese quesadillas and corn tortillas. And they're very tasty. Pico de gallo, a little bit of sour cream, a little bit of plain guacamole. It's very, very good. They're bringing queso fundido and I'm not sure. Oh yeah, there were quesadillas for the full table for appetizers. Was it good?
It's very tasty.
Very tasty.
I'm so sorry.
Here we go. Tortilla soup. That looks amazing. I made through one. Here's the queso fundido. All right, and the final course, corn tortillas and carne asada.
Starfish.
Yummy. I'll squeeze this down somehow.
Someone asked him.
Okay, so we are back in the room for a little bit. Here's our little guy, little bunny. He has twitchy ears. Look, he's a little cold in here. We do have it set as cold as possible. And here are all the things that were on the bed. This is an opportunity, I think, to get laundry done. Valued member of the team, your laundry service, one full bag for $20. Here's the other information. And then this is Cruise Next. And our St. Thomas paper. So there you go. It's actually really early. I mean, it is 8:30. Dinner took a long,
2.5 hours.
2.5 hours, yeah.
There was a big group of us, and I understand, but that was just
It was way too long.
way too long.
Yeah, it took a long time. And I am finding that meals are taking quite a long time, even when it's just our group of 6. So, and I'm not sure what is contributing to that. I'm not sure. We've heard a couple of things from the staff has changed over this cruise, and so we're dealing with mostly new staff. I don't know. We've heard any number of things. So, to that there are like large groups on the boat, and that on the ship, excuse me, and that I know it's not a boat, it's a ship, and that is what's causing the problem. Anyway, so we're going to call it a night. That was long. So one of our fellow cruisers made the point of it's been 6 and 7 hours a day in dining establishments. So for breakfast, we're there for 1 hour and 45 minutes, almost 2 hours. Lunch, we're there 1 hour and 45 minutes, almost 2 hours. Dinner, 2.5 hours. So I'm not sure what, like I said, what to contribute that to. I don't know if it's the size of the group. Mostly it's 6 of us. At lunch today, it was only 5 of us. So I don't know. I don't have any idea. So, you know, tomorrow we'll be back in the main dining room. So we've had what you've seen. We have had the first night was the dining room. The second night was Q.
The barbecue.
Yeah, tonight was Los Lobos, and tomorrow will be the dining room, and we have Cagney's and stuff. Anyway, all of that. We did have Margaritaville for lunch today. And we will talk about our likes and dislikes on the food and that kind of thing in our final review, but the food has been quite delicious.
Yes, it's been very good.
Yeah, so. Okay, so we're going to call it a night. I'm going to pack my bag for tomorrow, and
Gotta be ready at 7
right.
for breakfast.
We have to be at breakfast at 7, off the ship at 8. So, all right. So, good night for now, and we will see you in the morning.